we are going to start with your 4.3 exercise, children. Look here carefully. First main, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by, there are 5 sub questions. So look here, we have only the one polynomial, that is one dividend we have, and we have 5 divisors. For every divisor, we need to apply remainder theorem and calculate the remainder. So look here, is divided by. So what we need to do first step, find the 0 of this polynomial. That is x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, this x value, substitute in that, you are going to get the remainder. Therefore, P of A, if you substitute this will become A. Let's write the polynomial. Let's write the polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now substitute this minus 1 in x, children. Then that will become the remainder. What you get answer? That is your r. Or you may write r is equal to P of minus 1 is equal to also you can find. That is in x, please substitute here. You can write here statement on substituting. You can write minus 1 whole cube. Wherever you have x, write minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now, minus 1 whole cube, minus 1 multiply 3 times, it will be minus 1. Minus 1 multiply 2 times plus 1, that is 3 into 1 will be 3. 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 plus 1. Now, plus 3 minus 3 cancel and minus 1 plus 1 cancel. You are left with 0. That means the remainder is 0. R or P of minus 1 equal to 0. One thing you should know, children, if you get a remainder 0, then this x plus 1 is a factor of this one. If you get remainder 0, this is a factor of this one. Suppose if I say 8 by 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. Then what you can say, 2 is a multiple of 8 or 2 is a factor of 8 we say. Similarly, in this polynomial also, if we get your remainder 0, x plus 1 is a factor of this you can say. Okay, let's move to the second one. X minus 1 by 2. First thing what we need to do? First find the 0 of the polynomial by equating with 0 this one. Minus 1 by 2 if it goes to this side. Plus 1 by 2. Write the given polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 in order to get the remainder. That is r is equal to P of 1 by 2 is equal to, wherever you have x, substitute 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now, 1 by 2 whole cube, how can you write, children? For cube is for the numerator and also denominator. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That will be 1 by 8. Now this one plus 3, 1 1s are 1, 1 into 3, 3 by 2 2s are 4. And this one will be 3 by 2 plus 1. Now, is this completed? No, we need to find the LCM of this. So, look here, 8, 4, 2. What is LCM? Look here, like this, you need to see the LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are. Then again, 2 2s. Look here now. Say me the LCM here. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is your LCM. That will be 8 take in denominator please. 1, 4 2s are 8, that to multiply up, that will be 3 2s are 6, and again 2 4s are 8, that 4 multiply up, 4 3s are 12, plus 8 1s are 8. Now add all these children, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 6, 26, 26 plus 1, 27 by 8. What is your remainder here? R of x, you can write it as R of x is equal to 27 by 8. So let's move to the third one, x. What is this x? So let's move to the third one, children here. X it seems. X means what is the zero of it? Nothing there. If I equate x equal to 0, so nothing there. So x value is 0. Substitute the same thing in the given polynomial. That is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So now substitute 0 in x. Wherever you have x, you write 0. That will be all become 0 and finally you get 1. That means your remainder of x is equal to 1 is your answer. Okay, this is your answer. Now see the fourth sub question, x plus pi, children. So again find the 0 of the polynomial, x plus pi equal to 0, x is equal to minus pi. This minus pi substitute there. Write the polynomial of x, p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Wherever you have x, substitute minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Minus, if you multiply 3 times, it will be minus pi cube. And now minus into minus, it will be plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. See, a very small remainder we have. Therefore, remainder of x is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1 is your remainder. Okay, let's see the last problem of this main. That is 5 plus 2x. So now find the 0 of the polynomial, children. 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 5. It goes other side. Minus 5. Multiple. If it goes other side, divide. So now what is the 0 of a polynomial? X is equal to minus 5 by 2. Right? So now this value substitute in the given polynomial. That is p of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now substitute this value here. Minus 5 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now let me write here. Let me carry the problem here. P of x is equal to, P of x value is how much, children, here? P of minus 5 by 2 is equal to, what is this one? Minus, if you multiply 3 times, it will be minus 5 cube. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 125 by 2 cube is 8. So next, minus 5 by 2 whole square, children. Minus into minus, it will be plus. 5 5s are 25 and 2 2s are 4. 25 3s are, it will be 75 by 2 2s are 4. This 3 is multiplied only for the numerator, children. Then again, minus into plus will be minus. 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 1. Now look here, 8 4 2. What is 8 4 2 LCM? It will be 8. So now write Do the LCM here. Minus 125 plus 4 table where you get here 8, 4 2s are. That 2 multiply for the numerator. That will be 150. So 2 5s are 10, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1, 150. Minus 2 table where you get 8, 2 4s are. That 4 multiply here. 15 4s are 60 plus 8 1s are 8. Now look here children, minus 125 minus 60 will be minus 185 plus 158 by 8 you are going to get. Okay, let us subtract and see here. Minus 185 plus 158 will be how much children? It will be minus 27 by 8. Therefore, the remainder R of x is equal to minus 27 by 8 is your answer. With this, we complete your first. Let's see the second problem of this exercise. Find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. We need to find only remainder. Then I go with the remainder theorem method. So how we do children? Find the 0 of this. That is, if x minus a equal to 0, x is equal to minus a if it comes this side plus a. Now take this polynomial. Let us assume it as p of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Okay, do you remember children? If p of x is equal to p of a, then that is equal to the remainder. Substitute in this polynomial. Substitute x is equal to a. We get p of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. A cube, a square into a, what happens children? It will be a cube. Do you know this? A square into a. Both the bases are same. Powers can be added. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Plus 6 into a, 6a minus a. Plus a cube minus a cube gets cancelled. 6a minus a will be 5a. Therefore, your remainder is equal to p of, what is your a is equal to 5a. Therefore, what is the question as? Remainder. Therefore, the remainder is equal to 5a is your answer. Next one. Last question in this exercise. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So, check whether this is a factor of that. How can I check? First, let me find the 0 of the polynomial and that value substitute in that. If I get 0, then this is a factor of that polynomial. If I won't get 0, then this is not a factor of that polynomial. So, first, let me find the 0 of a polynomial. Equate this with a 0. Plus 7 if it goes other side. Minus 7 and 3 multiple if it comes this side. Divide. That is x is equal to minus 7 by 3 we got. So this value substitute in the given polynomial. If, let me consider it as p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x. On substituting, substitute this value. Substitute x is equal to minus 7 by 3. We get p of minus 7 by 3 is equal to x, please substitute this value. Minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. So observe here children, some have a habit of cancelling. This 3 directly they will cancel. But they won't see the power here. We should never do like that. First, remove from power. Means you need to multiply. Then if possible, you can cancel. Okay, look here children. Now what we need to do? minus 7 whole cube. Minus, if you multiply 3 times, it will be minus. What is 7 cube? 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are, you can see here, 343. Look here, minus 3 into 343 by 3 multiply 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So now 3 9s are 27. Okay. So now next plus and minus. Minus 7 7s are 49 by 3. Now this will be minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3. Now 9 and 3 LCM is 9. Let's do that problem here. LCM is 9. And now 3 minus 343 minus, so observe here, 3 table where you get 9. 3 3s are 9. That 3 multiply here. That will be 49 3s are 9 3s are 27. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 will be 147. Okay. So now minus 343 minus 147. How much here? Add 7 plus 3 10. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 1 4. Minus 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 by 9. So finally, what you can say here, children? R is equal to P of minus 7 by 3. Is this equal to 0, children? Is this is equal to 0? No, the remainder is not equal to 0. What is the remainder I got here? Minus 490 by 3. If the remainder is not equal to 0, I say that therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. If we get the remainder 0, children, it must be a factor. But we did not get remainder 0. Therefore, it is not a factor. Okay, with this, we are going to complete our exercise 4.3 and we are going to end our session today. We are going to meet in our next session with your next exercise. Thank you all.